Now, after applications written in Java are compiled, they are reverse engineered for analysis. Bytecode-Viewer is a Java, JAR, and Android APK reverse engineering suite that includes a decompiler, editor, and debugger. So let's go ahead and install it. So I'm sure you know the drill. Go to Kali and log in with default credentials, Kali and Kali. Open up a web browser. Search for Bytecode-Viewer and click on the probable first website. Scroll down a bit. Now, Bytecode-Viewer has a lot of features, but we'll use it for Java decompiler. There are also other open source Java decompiler tools that I want to show you. So one of them is JADX GUI. Just search for it on Google. And if you open this GitHub page, you will find here JADX is also used to produce Java source codes from DEX and APK files. So we'll look at another tool for Java reverse engineering. JD GUI can also be used for this purpose. Click on the GitHub page, scroll down a bit. And what do you see here? This is one of the useful tools for Java reverse engineering. And I'm going to use the Bytecode-Viewer because, well, it's a more comprehensive tool for reverse engineering. With both of these features here and other useful features as well. So let's go ahead and download the latest jar file. Save it. OK. Open up terminal screen. Change directory to the Downloads folder. List files. All right, it's here. And we'll run java-jar, add the Bytecode-Viewer jar file. All right, so installation's complete. So this is the user interface of the Bytecode-Viewer.